Gaza and rape. They are with the legendary YG. And he's my G. And I need this video for my IG. I'm out.
Via subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, the one done, the dancehall king, the arena sheller, the stadium seller is at it again. And this time Vybz Kartel link up with YG Marley the other day at Wireless Fest. The link up I never saw. And I'm not telling a lie, people, a link up and a normal, it up and notch it louder, but it cloud, I one place, I one part, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked in a real life. If representing and rhyming was a person, it have to name ADDI as him palm, talk shoot no people. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. Big up yourself, YG Marley. And right now, I have a clip of Popcaan. And Popcaan outside in a Guadeloupe, you know, people. And I'm not telling like Popcaan a real sample man, you know. The boss said T-Bone have the biggest gut. And I'm not going to talk too long. I go forward in a clip and see what I go on.
Biggest gut.
You know, right?
I remember these tourists.
Yes.
They cannot stop you from rich. A tree man, them with it, them a rasta. That be a lock, them a pose with. Real rasta man, yeah. Yeah, rasta man to Peter. Smart dreads. No dread ladies. That's it. Guadeloupe is so forward again. Activity. Rastaman. This road up with me there.
So people, that was a clip of Popcaan and the unruly gang leaving Guadeloupe. And I'm not telling a lie, there was never a dull moment during that clip. Everywhere Popcaan and the unruly gang turn up, it burn up. Everywhere them pull up, it have to get shell down. The clip then a normal, it up and notch, it louder, but it louder one place, one part, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick in a real life. Big up yourself, Popcaan and the unruly gang. You know, outside that do it for the culture from them time till now. And right now, I have a clip of Enhance. And Enhance was outside performing in Guyana. And I'm not telling a lie, people, Enhance deliver up on the international stage. And I'm not even going to talk too long. But go forward in a clip and see what the monster boss are going with.
Hey, nobody there, so I top for the game. I see a play jump you. Hey, Guyana, hard man, road to the top box. Go, I'm a man, Popcaan, Dandy. Hey, if you want to grab him, everything I'm saying. But now, you know, you're not around now, but you're this pedal, you're not got down. So, what try you want to and you will get a shot in your foot. How do you believe me now? Let me see people that believe in the blood class.
Light up the place!
Jamaica National Road, who is a Popcaan? Hey, how do you believe me? Hey, TV, I see this. Good boss. Every time, man.
So people, that was a clip of Enhance and him choir a Shell Guyana, and I'm not saying a lie, people, and no Shell still left in a venue. Enhance delivered hits after hits and the entire Guyana accept him. That was a A1 performance, Enhance. One for the books. The performance bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked in a real life. Big up yourself, Enhance, the monster boss. You're outsider, do it for the culture in a real life. And right now, I have a clip of TJ and Gabidan outside a Shell Germany, you know, people. And I'm not telling a lie, everywhere Gabidan and TJ turn up, it burn up. Everywhere them pull up, it have to get shell down, people. A be things Gabidan go on with. And I'm not even going to talk to you long. Forward in a clip and see what I go on.
DJ, play the rhythm.
Me go run go next and come back. So watch out that way. You see board that come now. Who not ready?
People, man, I tell no lie. This was a A1 performance from TJ and Gabidan. One for the books. The man them get everybody involved in the performance. Some love when artists and dancer interact with them fans, people. Yeah, man. Get the fans them involved. People, it's a climbing moment, you know, still, you know. Yeah, man. Gabidan climbed the tree in Germany. And me not even going to talk tree long. I can forward in a clip and see what Gabidan I go on with.
DJ, you think me an idiot? You think me an idiot? Everybody take your phone lights and shine for Gabidan. Take the phone lights them out. Everybody go like this. We have something like this. I get to you. We have something like this. I get to you. We have something like this. Are you ready now? Watch it now.
Yeah, man.
Bop, 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 bop. Gabidan, what you say? It's a tree moment. So people, that was a clip of TJ and Gabidan outside a Shell, Germany. And people all know Shell still left in a venue. Talk shoot no man. TJ and Gabidan deliver upon the performance. Yeah. No joke about it. This was an electrifying performance from TJ and Gabidan. Big up on yourself. On outside, I do it for the culture in a real life. And people right now may have a clip of Not Change, Quella and Chin. And people not change, make Quella and Chin reconcile, you know. Yeah, man, and me not saying a lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look, because we all know what go down with Quella and Chin. And me not going to talk too long. I go forward in a clip and see what them are going with.
People. So what they are with Browning, you know. What they are with Quella. Of course. My mama telling you, you know, she's a very important person for me. You understand? I one of my artists female. You understand? Me by one of my artists there with her. We not call him name right now. But you know the mermaid go to work. That will feed her a morning. Because she always deliver result. Anyways, see Quella there. Of course. And I'm glad same day, you know. Because at the end of the day, I heard about cut up with Browning. But him get a run for some fest. And they break through the right side door. Remember me looking at crystal ball and you. So you see this will happen, I want to give him a chance. You understand? Because I do the right thing. We come to some agreement and everything will work out. You understand? So, you don't know Browning, it's a sad situation. Every man deserves a second chance.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That is the end of the clip. And me not telling a lie, people, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. For say Not Change, bring Quella and Chin to an agreement. Yo, Not Change, big up yourself. No joke about that. The clip then a normal, it up a notch, it loud about the cloud at one place and one part, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick, in a real life. Talk truth no people. Big up yourself, Quella, big up yourself, Chin. And as I said, Not Change, everybody deserves a second chance in a real life. And I'm not going to talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel and YG Marley linking up at Wireless Fest the other day. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Yeah, man. I want to see all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, all of the YG Marley fans them, and all of the dancehall fans them. Spam up the comment section and make me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.